We'll guide you through how to host a Zoom meeting. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're looking to go and host a Zoom meeting. Maybe it's a catch-up or an important business meeting. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this and how you can then go and invite people and what you need to know. So to get started, go and open up a web browser. Let's dive straight into this. What you need to do is go and type in Zoom like so, and you need to come to the Zoom website, which is zoom.com. You can click on it at the top. Now what we need to do is go and download the Zoom app onto our computer. So to do this, come to the footer of the Zoom site. You can scroll all the way down and come into download, and you can click on download like this. Now what we can do is go and get Zoom Workplace. So you can press download like so. For some reason it's been blocked, we can click on it and press download unverified file. It's safe, I've used it before. Now what you need to do is we can wait for it to finish downloading, and you want to go and open up your file explorer, and you can come to your downloads. So you can press downloads to the left. You can then find Zoom installer, and you want to go and double click on it like so. And now it's going and loading. It's now initializing. So be patient while this goes and loads. You'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to. Now what you can do here is we can get started, so we can close this other stuff off. You are going to go and need an account. So if you don't already have one, you need to go and press sign up below sign in, and we can then go and start the process. Enter in your birth year. Then you need to go and enter in your email address. You need to then check your inbox. So I'll come to my web browser. I had a code here so I can come to it. I'll grab this code, and then what we can do is go and paste it in like so. We can press verify. Enter in your first and last name, and you can then choose your password. I'll press skip for now and sign in. So Zoom should now open up, and we successfully gone and created our account. So now we can go and press on the arrow to the right of new meeting. Now we can get started with hosting our meeting. So if you want to go and make one right now, and you can go and start having people join it, what you can do is press new meeting. If you wish to go and schedule it, you can press schedule and get it ready for later. So you can click here, give it a name, choose the time and date. You can choose if it's going to be a repeat, and you can then start inviting people. So what you can do is go and type in their email here, for example, like this. And then when we go and set this up, they're going to go and be sent a link with it. So I can go and type it in and select their email, and you can then have it generate automatically. Choose anything you want and just scroll down here, and then you can go and press send. And then go and send them an invite, and they can go and join when it's going to go and be. So you can set the time and date at the top here. So you can go through that there. But to go and get started with hosting it right now, what you can do is go and press new meeting. Then it's going to go and connect. As you can see, you can go and choose your video here. I'll turn mine off as I don't currently have my webcam connected. And you can go and choose your microphone. That's really important. And then what you can do is you can go and press start. And it's now going to go and connect. And here it is. So we're now hosting the meeting. And if you want people to go and join right now, find participants and press the arrow to the right, and you can press copy invite link. Now what you can do is go and paste that in an email. So I can come back here, I can press compose, and I can go and paste it in here. I can then email that to people, and they can click on it, and they can come and join the Zoom, and we can go and have our meeting. So that's it. You can then go and start using Zoom and hosting meetings. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.